Hello student, let's start to learn. Standard ninth, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2nd, Medium English and Semi-English, Unit number 9, Environmental Management. Today's my first point is Solid Waste Management, Need of the Hour. Second point, Can you tell? Third point, Observe and discuss. Fourth point, Can you tell? Fifth point, make a list and discuss. Sixth point, biodegradable waste. Seventh point, non biodegradable waste. Thank you. Solid waste management, need of the hour. Can you tell? Number one, what is meant by pollution? Answer of this question: pollution is the phenomena that arise due to contamination of the environment, either due to human activities or due to natural causes. Second, in which different way do our surrounding get polluted? Answer of this question: the air, water, and the soil, all three ecosystems are polluted due to various reasons. Poisonous gases and toxic particulate matter is released into atmosphere, causing air pollution. Many toxic substances are released on the land as well as water. This result in the contamination and pollution of the soil and water. The unwanted sound also causes noise pollution. The radioactive substances released in the environment causes radioactive pollution. Try this. Observe the garbage collected in the dustbin of your classroom and make a list of various material in it. Discuss with our teacher how this material can be properly disposed of. Can we do the same with the garbage generated in your house? Think about it. See in this picture, here is the paper, plastic bottle, can, glass. This symbol shows the 3R sign. Observe and discuss. See, here is the first picture and this is second picture. What is the main difference between these two pictures? What we see in these two pictures alongside? In first picture, area of the garbage on bus stand. In second picture, clean area on bus stand. What should we do? Permanently maintain the conditions seen in second picture. We implementing various program of solid waste management and educating and encouraging the society and family in this regard. Second, avoiding use and throw type of articles like pens, can, cold drinks, Tetra packs should be strictly avoided. Many waste material are generated through the various daily human activities. This is called solid waste. If these waste material are properly disposed of, they can be a valuable source of energy. Currently, solid waste is a serious worldwide problem as it causes both water and soil pollution. Solid waste is also too serious problem for point of view of economic growth, environmental degradation, and health. It has posed a serious threat to nature of human habitat because of the air, water, soil pollution it causes. Friends, do you know garbage production per day, solid waste generated in the main metro cities of the state approximately as follows: Mumbai 5,000 tons, Pune 1,700 tons, Nagpur 900 tons. On 26 July 2005, a serious flood calamity had arisen in Mumbai. Improper solid waste management was one of the main reasons behind that calamity. Thus, we see that the accumulation of the solid waste can lead to various calamities. Can you tell? Number one, what is meant by solid waste? Answer of this question: the unwanted solid material which we do not need any longer are the solid waste such material are thrown away. Second, what are the different things included in solid waste? Answer of this question: domestic waste, industrial wastes, that is waste dump out of the factories and industries, the biomedical waste created in the hospitals and dispensaries, the electronic waste, that is e-waste, paper, plastic, etc., are the things included in the solid wastes. We make use of many materials and articles in our daily life. There are different kinds. Some of them are reusable, but others have been discarded. However, if they are not properly disposed of, it affects the environment adversely. Make a list and discuss. Classification. Source. Number one, domestic waste. Waste food, paper, plastic bags, vegetable waste, fruit skins, glass and sheet metal article, etc. Industrial wastes, chemicals, pigment, sludge, ash, metal, etc. Hazardous, chemical generated in various industries, radioactive materials, explosive, infectious material, etc. Farm and garden waste, leaves, flowers, branches of tree, crop residues like straw, animal urine, and dung, pesticides, remain of various chemicals and fertilizers, etc. Classification. Electronic waste. Source: non-functional TV sets, cell phones, music system, computer and their parts, etc. Biomedical waste. Bandages, dressings, clothes, needles, saline bottle, medicine, medicine bottle, test tubes, body parts, bloods, etc. from clinics, hospitals, blood banks, and laboratories. Urban waste, waste generated through household industries and large commercial and industrial establishment, carry bags, glass, metal pieces, and rods, threads, rubber, paper cans from shops, vegetables and meat market, construction waste, etc. Radioactive waste, radioactive materials like strontium 10, cerium 141, barium 140, and heavy water, etc., generated from atomic energy plants, uranium mines, atomic research centers, nuclear weapons testing sites, etc. Mining waste, remains of the heavy metals like lead, arsenic, cadmium, etc. from mines. Biodegradable waste. This type of waste easily degraded by microbes. It mainly includes kitchen waste. It contains spoiled food, fruits, vegetable, ash, soil, dung parts of the plants, etc. This is shown in this figure. This waste is mainly organic type and is also called wet solid waste or wet garbage. If it is carefully decomposed, we can get compost and fuel of good quality from it. Such biofuel projects have been started in many cities. Non-biodegradable waste. This type of waste is not easily degraded because it requires a very long period of time and use of these various techniques. It includes plastics, metal, and other similar material. See in this picture, here is plastic, metal are shown. This type of waste is also called dry solid waste or dry garbage. Make a list of various waste material and articles in your area. Prepare a chart as shown in this figure. Write material name in this column. Write if it is degradable, yes here. If it is non-degradable, then write here no. If substance or material is non-degradable, then write here yes. If substance is degradable, then write here no. If material can be recycled, then write here yes. If material cannot be recycled, then write here no. If material can reuse, then write here yes. If material cannot reuse, then write here no. If material is toxic, then write here yes. If material is not toxic, then write here no. Here is first example. Material is a plastic bottle. Degradable, no. Means it's not organic compound. It is non-degradable, yes. It is inorganic compound. Recycling, yes. Reuse, yes. Toxic, yes. I give second example. Fruit of skin. Degradable, yes. Non-degradable, no. Recycling, no. Reuse, yes. Toxic, no. Reuse of fruit skin is for making of compost. Friend, complete this chart by taking any 10 waste material. I give again another activity. Find out. Nowadays, an electronic device, the cell phone, is a very popular. From a mobile shop near your house, find out how they dispose of old and broken down cell phones. Write the information about this by using net.